Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about two of the news. Number one, Dubai is to hold this Metaverse Summit, or via the name Meta We Summit. What is the significance of this? And beyond that, this is to also convey that the metaverse adoption is coming. And a lot of people earlier who were skeptical about the metaverse after Mark Zuckerberg's announcement happened to start adopting to the metaverse. In fact, a lot of metaverse projects exploded. And right now, during the depths of the bear market, like all the metaverse coins were like 90 to 95% down. In fact, some people util- utilize the advantage of it to be the best investing opportunity. And in fact, like they have invested big sums. Some of them even gained, some of the projects even gained 100% plus rally so far. Having said that, the second news for today I wanted to cover is the anonymous figure basically send cash via the Tornado Cash protocol to two prominent figures. Who are those prominent figures? Some of them are like the Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, and some of them like Logan Paul, one of the big YouTubers, Randy Zuckerberg. I mean, they actually send it. In fact, like if you would have heard the punishment for dealing, like after US has uh, imposed that anyone dealing with the Tornado Cash will be fined up to like from $50,000 up till $10 million and jailed from 10 years to 30 years. What is a Tornado Cash? It is basically used for sending the anonymous transactions. So we'll further discuss this. First of all, Dubai is going to hold this Metaverse Summit via the name Meta We Summit, and in fact, it is calling upon metaverse projects and the companies from across the world, like from 20 different countries. They are calling the companies, and in fact, they will be meeting the investors. They will be having all the brainstorming sessions, just the way Dubai has been center of a lot of things, like even for the crypto, like we are talking Binance CEO, CZ Binance, I mean, he shifted to Dubai. Polygon CEO shifted to Dubai. A lot of crypto billionaires shifted to Dubai. They are actually providing a fertile environment for the crypto, but not just that, even the metaverse as well. They are providing for the same. They are planning to create over 40,000 jobs within the metaverse itself over the next 5 years, and adding $4 billion to the economy via the metaverse. So definitely they're thinking ahead. And this Meta V Summit, if you are in Dubai, definitely you should probably try to inquire about it. Like as I've mentioned, the dates 14 to 15 September. How can you visit it? How can you be part of it? How can you participate in it? And definitely this is one of the greater signs that people are actually turning towards this metaverse, and we should not ignore it. We should utilize it to the fullest as an opportunity. Like obviously in terms of investment as well, some of the great of the metaverse, like I like a lot of the metaverse projects I've mentioned, like Illuvium Network and so many of the projects. Like we should be even seeing from the investment perspective, some of them are 90 to 95% down. So why not? When the mass adoption happens, definitely we are going to see the metaverse boom in those coins as well. Now, as far as this particular news is concerned, uh, just the news broke like few days earlier that a developer onto the Tornado Cash has been arrested. Uh, US has imposed a sanction that anyone who's dealing with Tornado Cash will be fined from $50,000 to $10 million and jailed from 10 to 30 years. Basically, 10 Tornado Cash is the mechanism via which you can send the cash by being anonymous. Why? Because you send the cash, and then from Tornado Cash back to the recipient, Tornado Cash actually stops the information. Like it does not reveal who is the recipient. Basically all the funds are mixed, and then from the main Tornado Cash account the funds goes to the recipient. So basically this was becoming one of the hub for the money laundering, for all the scammers to actually scam the money, and then this is how they transfer to the different wallet, which was causing the authorities a lot of trouble in tracking where the money flow is going. While dealing with the Tornado Cash, it can completely stop the trail. Now, right after the arrest, The next day, this is what happens. The Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong was sent the money. Logan Paul was sent the money. Randy Zuckerberg was sent the money. Like a lot of big names were sent the cash. And in fact, like probably it's not their fault. Why? Because anyone can receive the cash. That's fine if the address is public. But like if they also, I mean, if anyone is willfully dealing with it, or probably trying to hide their identity, trying to send the cash around, definitely that should be considered as a default measure. So one of the message, definitely like dealing with the tornado cash, this is the update. Like people are actually taking action onto it, people are being arrested onto it. But apart from that, even that is a sign that the governments are tightening the money laundering norms. And if a lot of people might have thought about it, probably it's better to go the legal way. Try to see how legal you can go, how legal way that you can perform. That is how you can actually succeed big. The moment that you start thinking from the shady perspective, how do you hide the money, how do you send the money from here to there, I mean, from that perspective, like you're trying to evade those in agencies, I mean, they are far smarter than you. Probably you might be losing onto a bigger thing. So this is one thing as well that we need to be assuring ourselves of not dealing in a wrongful way. Having said that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. We talk about the best of the crypto projects. We talk about the best of the news. We talk about what's happening around. We talk about how do we increase our investments to the max. Please ensure you hit the subscribe button. You feel we deserve more, share the video, smash the like button, comment down below. I'll read each one of your comments, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.